Hi, my name is Dana Wolf. I'm the Accounts Receivable Manager and Administrative Backup for the Pump Services Department of Koberlein. I've been with the company about 5 years now, and I say that because I still consider myself relatively new because there's quite a few employees that have been here longer than I have. And to me, that shows Koberlein's commitment not only to their customers, but to their employees. So what does that mean for you? Well, if you're a residential customer and you call to have your septic tank cleaned, chances are pretty good the same guy that was there 3 years ago or 5 years ago or even 7 years ago is going to be the same guy that's out there again. And if it's not the same guy, he's going to benefit from the site map that the last employee created when he was at your property. And all this is done just to try to make the process a little bit easier for our customers. But if you're a commercial account and you have a question about a statement you received or an invoice, give me a call. I'll do my best to try to help you. 570-253-3660. If you have a grinder pump or a sewage pump that's not working properly, give me a call or call and ask for Michael, and we'll do our best to get a technician out there as soon as we possibly can to get you up and running. Thanks. Give us a call, 570-253-3660.